Hello Year 11, welcome to this introduction for AS and A-level physics. If you enjoyed GCSE physics, which you're bound to have because it's way better than biology and chemistry, if you enjoyed that, if you enjoyed physics GCSE, you will love A-level, absolutely. You'll see that there are topics that are familiar, so things like forces and waves, radioactivity, electricity, um, and that will come up again, but we'll look at it in a lot more detail and we'll explore, how these things are interconnected. It'll extend your knowledge and learning. Then, as well as the physics that you'll recognise, I think you'll enjoy some of the new physics. For example, one of the first topics that you study is particle physics, and I know that's always really popular. We'll do a lot more on cosmology, which is really interesting, and stuff like lasers, the physics of lasers and how a laser works. So, as well as being familiar, you'll also find that there's new and really interesting physics that's part of the course. Physics, A-level physics is obviously essential if you're going to do physics or cosmology at university, or if you want to go into engineering. But we also find physics students go on to study things like law and medicine, journalism, music even. So, it isn't confined to those physical sciences, that sort of applied science field. What's also really valuable about the study of A-level physics is the skills involved. There's obviously a huge amount of maths, applying maths to real life problems, but also the thinking skills, the approach to problem solving. Um, if you learn to think like a physicist, that is a skill that um, all sorts of university courses and employers find very valuable. So the intention here then is to set a few lessons, tasks, if you like, that will kind of bridge the gap a little bit between GCSE physics and A-level physics. I'm going to post some information on books and resources, but I'll also post a few assignments as well, um, where you can, there'll be some reading and some questions, lots of video tutorials as support, but you can dip into it, you can work with it at your own pace, and it will give you an idea really as to whether or not A-level physics is for you.